Hey guys, this is Bea from Responsive Muse. Today I just wanted to record a video just to talk to you guys. This is not a tutorial, this is not a tips and tricks video. I'm not going to show you how to do anything. It's just I want to speak directly with you. In 2018 it was a bit crazy. It was quite intense. As you know, Adobe announced the last update for Muse. We also decided to create a new tool to design your own WordPress templates called Themes Generator. I recommend you to check it out. No matter your profile, if you are a Muse user or not, I recommend you to check it out because it's a free tool. In 2018, our YouTube channel also grew so much. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for your views and all your comments and for subscribing. We hit 4,000 subscribers in 2018. And in 2019, we want to grow even more. We're preparing lots of new videos, lots of interesting stuff. Not only about web design, but also about digital marketing and SEO. So we'll be making lots of videos about this too. Videos like how to grow your YouTube channel or how to increase your followers. Also how to drive more traffic to your website or to your blog. This kind of videos is what you should expect this year. YouTube also released new features for video creators. There's a new community tab for channels with more than 1,000 subscribers where you can post questions, polls, images. It's a way to quickly interact with your subscribers, with your community. There's another feature which I find really cool, but you need to get to the 10K. So I want you guys to help me to get to the 10K. Channels with 10,000 subscribers can upload stories like you do on Facebook, Snapchat, or Instagram. And so YouTube's got that new feature now. So I want to reach to this 10,000 because I want to use that feature. Guys, come on, help me. Give me some love. Subscribe to this channel, okay? And if you don't want to miss any of these videos, any update, or you want to see what's going on in this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and get notified whenever a video is out. Thank you guys for watching.